Before buying a muffler for your four-cylinder car, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many mufflers promise performance, but real buyers are talking about sound quality and durability. Product number 1, Flowmaster Flow FX3 Muffler. First up is the Flowmaster Flow FX Chambered Muffler. This one caught my eye with its sleek design and a price of $66.55. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 1,000 reviews, this muffler promises moderate sound while enhancing performance. If you want a deeper tone without the annoying drone, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The straight-through design improves horsepower and torque by enhancing exhaust flow and reducing back pressure. This is crucial for anyone wanting to get the most out of their daily driver or even a weekend muscle car. Plus, the perforated core technology is designed to absorb unwanted noise while giving you that deep, rich sound. Now, some people complained about it being a bit loud at idle. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a performance upgrade, a little extra noise can be a sign that your engine is breathing better. If you're sensitive to sound, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're a street enthusiast looking for that classic muscle car sound. Skip this one if you prioritize quiet operation above all else. For the price, you're getting solid performance and great build quality, which is a win. Now, if the noise level of the Flowmaster bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Flowmaster Flow FX 2.5 Muffler. Next, we have the Flowmaster Flow FX Chambered Muffler with a 2.5 inlet and outlet, priced the same at $66.55. Again, you'll find a stellar rating of 4.7 stars, but this model is designed for those who want a slightly different fit. If you want a quality upgrade for your four-cylinder ride, this is also worth a serious look. The design prevents excessive cabin drone while still giving you that throaty sound you crave. Also, it's built from durable 409S stainless steel, meaning it's resistant to rust and built to last. However, some users mention that it may not fit perfectly with all car types without some adjustments. Now here's the thing. If you're willing to do a little tweaking during installation, the sound and performance benefits outweigh this minor hassle. This is ideal for you if you're looking to enhance your vehicle's performance without going overboard on sound. Skip this one if you want an easy plug-and-play installation. For the price point, it's hard to beat the quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more unique. Product number 3, Evil Energy Exhaust Muffler. The Evil Energy 2 Exhaust Muffler is next on the list. Priced at just $36.99, this model stands out with a rating of 4.5 stars from nearly 6,000 reviews. If you're on a budget but still want a great sound, this is worth considering. The premium acoustic control means it's densely packed with sound-absorbing cotton, giving your car that deep tone you desire. With a 2 inlet and 3 outlet, it's designed for universal fitment, making installation straightforward for most cars. Plus, the burnt blue tip adds a stylish flair that will turn heads. Now, some folks have pointed out that the sound might be too aggressive for daily use. But here's the thing, if you're after a more sporty sound, this might actually be a perfect fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that really performs. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter and more subdued exhaust note. For the price, you're getting a lot of style and sound. Now, if the aggressive tone of the Evil Energy isn't your style, let's look at a more traditional option. Product number 4, Upor Diesel Exhaust Muffler. Next, let's talk about the Upor 4 Inlet Diesel Exhaust Muffler, which comes in at $79.99. With a 4.7-star rating, this one is a solid pick for those looking for a durable and long-lasting option. If you're serious about your exhaust system, this is worth your attention. The straight-through design allows for unrestricted exhaust flow, which is essential for maximizing performance. Plus, the stainless steel construction ensures it will withstand the test of time, making it a reliable choice for any car enthusiast. Its universal fit means you can install it on various vehicles without much hassle. However, some users noted that it might be a bit overkill for smaller engines. Here's the thing though, If you're looking to add a serious upgrade, the benefits of enhanced exhaust flow outweigh this concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable and high-performance muffler. Skip this one if your vehicle has a smaller engine since it might be too much. For the investment, you're getting a robust and effective upgrade. Finally, if you want something a little more compact, the last option on our list is very interesting. Product number 5, LCGP Universal Muffler. Last but not least, we have the LCGP 2.5 Inlet and Outlet Universal Muffler, priced at $33.24. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,800 reviews, this is the budget-friendly option for those who still want quality. If you want something that can reduce engine noise without costing a fortune, check this out. Plus, it's constructed from stainless steel, which means it's not just for looks, it's built to last too. The compact size makes it easy to fit in tight spaces, which is great for custom builds. However, some reviews mention that it requires professional installation due to its design. But here's the thing, if you're comfortable with a little extra setup, the sound and performance will be well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical way to improve your exhaust sound. Skip this one if you need something that's easy to install. For the price, it offers great value for those on a budget. So there you have it. We covered 5 great mufflers for your 4-cylinder car. From the Flowmaster options that offer performance and sound to the budget-friendly LCGP, there's something for everyone. Whatever you choose, you can't go wrong with enhancing your ride's sound and performance.